Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's lesson, we are going to look at the C debugging. So before we dive in on the coding part, ensure that you go through the provided material, that is the debugging and the rubber duck debugging. And as you can see the definition of the debugging. Okay, down here we have the quiz. I hope that if at all you'll have already gone through the provided material, you will find the quiz quite easy. For example, for number one, the following code gives this output. What is the error? And the error is supposed to be this one. We want to assign j a new value, not to compare it, so it should be j is equal to j and etc. Number one, that's zero. Question one. Look at the following code in the main C file. On what is the first error that compiled the return is supposed to be 11. Then number two, this code does not work as intended. Let's add printf statement to the code. What is the function? Do they tell us about? And this is supposed to be printf statement shows the break, and the printf statement shows when the for loop is finished. Then lastly, number three, the following code gives this incorrect output, which is the following statement about is causing the error. It's true, and the answer is supposed to be j never increments, so it is always going to print 0, and j never increments, so it will always be less than 10. Okay, so it's a very simple part on that. So if you take time and go to the material, you'll find the work quite easy for you. Okay, back to this one. Remember the general requirement. You're allowed to use the VI, Vim, and Emacs. Then all your file will be compiled using the GCC. And lastly, all you need to all the files should end up with a new line. Okay, and also note this one. A README file at the root of a repo contains the description of the repository, and README file at the root of the folder of this project, describing what this project is about. Okay, let's go to our question number one. Question number one is in most projects, we often give one main file to test. For example, the main file is to test for positive or negative function similar to the one you have worked with in an earlier project. Okay, so for this one, this is our GitHub repository, which is ALX low level programming. Then our directory is supposed to be 003 debugging, and the first file 0 main.c or main.h. So we had already created this repo and also managed to add the readme. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so the next part, let me go to my sandbox, and already opened my sandbox. So let me see what is inside. So we had already created this one, the low level, this one. Therefore, for us to open that directory, the repository cd alx. So then you use the tab. Okay, let's see what is inside our ls. So do we have? I had already created this one, which is now the 003 debugging. Then we have the readme as per the instruction. Okay, let's go ahead and try to create this directory. So directory then make directory. Okay, let me try to change the name because it already exists. So let me use 2, but ensure that you follow the instruction as per the requirement. Okay, let me see what's happened. Okay, so this is now the new one that I've already created. Okay, let me try to open it. So we have the CD, copy this one. Okay, let me see what is inside. I think I've opened the wrong one. Okay, let me redo again. CD paste, supposed to have a 2. Okay, okay, the CD supposed to have 2. What is happening? Let me see. Supposed to be CD, no file, no such file exists. Okay, let me see. Okay, I made a mistake somewhere. Let me go back. Okay, I hope that you're still following. So I'm supposed to open this one. Okay, let me copy it. Copy, CD, paste. Okay, let me see what is inside. Remember, it's now empty. So our directory 003 debug 2 is an empty one. Now remember the rule, we are supposed to read me, therefore vi read me dot md. Okay, most of the cases I give this one as the message the task name, and our task is C debugging. Okay, then we have that one. Okay, I think we have done the main part. So the next part, so we go to, I've already done up to this level. Now let's now go to the main H. So copy this one, copy vi then let me see, insert. Okay, copy. Okay, I will share with you the code that I've already prepared, so you don't have to worry. So this is the codes. Support with H. Okay, this one. So copy this one. Then paste. Okay, go to the next part. This one. Copy. Let me paste. Enter. Insert. Go to this part and copy this one. Okay, next part, go to this one, vi, copy, then we have vi, then on this one, you copy this section from this point to this point. Okay, now having done that, the next step is to move to number 1. And our number 1, we have the name of the file is one main. To see, copy, then okay, let me try to enlarge. Supposed to be copy, paste, enter. Then I'll copy the code. Insert, then paste, escape, colon, WQ. Okay, move to the next part. Our next part is let me see. Okay, to largest number. Okay, then I'll paste that part. Insert. Let me get my codes, which I will share with you. You don't have to worry how to go about the codes, also the typing. Copy. Then I will paste, escape, colon, DQ. Then the next part, which is now our last assignment, supposed to be the leap year. This program converts our data to the date of the year and determines how many days are left in the year, taking leap year into consideration. So let me go to the name. So I'll copy this part. Then I paste, enter, insert. Let me try to get my code. So I'll copy from this point. Copy. And I'll paste. Okay. Escape. WQ. So I think we have done the 3 tasks that we are supposed to do. Okay, then so the next step, you can try to check what is inside your directory. So these are the files that we have. We have 0 main C, 1 main C, 2 largest C, 3 print remaining. main C, main H, and the readme. They're supposed to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In fact, they are 7. Okay, having done that, the next step is to git hard. Ignore those other parts. But if at all you wish now to create these are the ones that we have been told to, for example, for this one, you can create this one if you wish to do, but if you feel like ignoring, it will not affect your rating. You can also as well as create that other one and also this other one. Okay, so let's get back to my terminal. Okay, so you git hard, then git commit, then the message maybe debugging, then I'll close that one, then git push. So I think I'm through. So the next step, go back to your task and try to check whether you've done the correct thing. So if you follow the instruction as I've listed them, you'll find that the task will be very simple for you. Okay, before I forget, I will share this one with you. So check on my description. You will see this link so that you can have a shorter time getting the content from this point. Okay, so thank you for taking time to watch this video. I know and also believe that you have gotten something from the whole thing. So kindly don't forget to comment, to like, and also to share with your friends. And lastly, and not the least, also do subscribe. Have a lovely day. So I will take some few minutes for you to show you through this one